Hi viewers, we are here for some of the amazing facts. There are 7 facts. Let's start with the number 1 fact. Fact number 1. Do you know? We spend roughly 20 years of our life sleeping. Our dreams are technically considered to be the alternate reality. Yeah, that's true. I think that's true. Yeah. Do you know? Moon speak an average about 7,000 word a day. Man, average just over 2,000. Oh gosh, that's amazing. I don't think that's amazing, but that's oh, these are meditated. Leave it. Okay. Here we come with the fact number 3. Do you know the total length of all blood vessels in the human body is about 100,000 kilometers? Well, fact number 4. In 2014, Chris Brown sentenced a 1-year jail over fight. By the time he was in jail, his album Loyal in 2014 gone for a number 1 record. Okay, you know, lion, haha, of course you know. But you don't know that some lions mate over 50 times a day. Actually, they are mad at mating. Maybe. Maybe not. Okay, here we come up with a fact number 6. Never ever try to suppress sneeze. Yeah, I'm serious. Well, if you try to suppress sneeze, you can rupture a blood vessel in your and die. Yeah, so never ever try to suppress your sneeze. That's true. Although that's a fact. Last but not the least, fact number 7. Hot water is heavier than cold water. Do you know why? Einstein told us about the theory of relativity. Relativity? Seriously? E is equal to mc square? Okay. E is equal to energy, m is equal to mass, c is equal to speed of light in vacuum. So, as the energy goes up, m must also go up to keep it balanced. Well, c is constant everywhere. So there will be a very subtle and very tiny increase in mass of the hot water. Well, that's the reason why ice floats in actually, because it's a lot less dense than water. Jesus, what a science behind it. Well, if you liked it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for the changes that's what we make on our next video. Well, thank you guys for watching our video. Well, subscribe it, like it, and comment it. Well, we will be there with the next video shortly. Bye.